The Employment and Labour Relations Court has stopped the hiring of new teachers to replace those who are still on strike. Justice Ndumanderi earlier this afternoon stopped the Teachers Service Commission from recruiting 70,000 relief tutors until a case filed by an umbrella union is determined. The judge gave the orders in an application filed under a certificate of urgency by the Trade Unions Congress of Kenya. And Michelle Ngele now brings us that story.
The directive to stop the hiring of the already advertised 70,000 vacancies in the teaching positions is the latest in a series of events surrounding the now 5-week-old teachers' strike that is perhaps the longest industrial action in the history of the country. Justice Ndumanderi has stopped the teachers' employer, TSC, from recruiting 50,000 teachers for primary schools and 20,000 others for secondary schools. The orders will be effected until a case filed by the Trade Unions Congress is determined. The judge gave the orders in an application filed under a certificate of urgency by the umbrella body. The Teachers Service Commission had on Wednesday advertised the positions on a 3-month contract. Trade Unions Congress of Kenya says this is an attempt by the Teachers Service Commission to frustrate teachers.
The approach that the government has given to try and recruit the so-called relief teachers, it is absurd, it is laughable, if not annoying.
TUC Deputy Secretary General Charles Mukwaya reiterated that teachers will not mark exams they have not supervised, as this will jeopardize the national examinations.
You cannot go on the streets and purport to recruit relief teachers today and then tomorrow you expect them to go on and oversee national examination councils. Who will mark those exams? Is it the same relief teachers, or they'll bring our NYS?
The Trade Unions Congress of Kenya this morning moved to court under a certificate of urgency to obtain an order to stop the recruitment of relief teachers by the Teachers Service Commission. This, they say, was a move they were forced to take after attempts for talks with the government failed.
We have written to the government, we have requested the government to give us a chance and sit with them so that we give them our views on the best way to approach this particular dispute. They have declined.
Both Nat and Kupet are expected to communicate to teachers on the way forward before Monday next week. Michelle Ngele, KTN News.